Hey, what's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be washing my new car. Just got a Corvette. I'm going to be doing a walk around video of it, but you guys are getting a sneak peek. So all you Chad's Garage people that actually watch the channel on a weekly or monthly basis, depending on how often I get videos out, are getting a little sneak peek. It's an 87 Corvette. Now, this company called Salty Captain, and I believe they're out of Australia, sent me their off-road pack, which at that time still had my Jeep, so it would have been an awesome video to do on the Jeep. However, just life and weather and goofy stuff just kept getting in the way, and of course I no longer have a Jeep. I have a Corvette, but same principles are going to go into this. So what do you get with the off-road pack? And I will leave links in the description. I'll leave a link right to Salty Captain, and I will also leave a few links to Amazon if you guys want to kind of piece together some of the things that you like and you don't like, or you don't need, or whatever. But that's what we're going to do today. We're going to wash this car because I need to do my walk around video and I want it to look as good as it possibly can. So we've got a four-wheel drive and RV wash. Now, they do offer a car wash. I think this four-wheel drive wash is a little bit of a stronger wash, so that's not going to be bad anyways, because this thing is dirty. This also comes with a grease, all multi-purpose degreaser. It's called Grease Attack, and it comes with glass cleaner, because we can always use some good glass cleaner, and some interior cleaner, because that Corvette definitely needs some interior work. It comes with a nice bucket, and comes with the strainer at the bottom of the bucket. So I don't know if you can see that. It comes with a little strainer at the bottom of the bucket, so any kind of dirt particles and whatnot, I really do like that, are going to float down. So when you put your wash mitt or whatever back in, you're not moving around. You're not going to scratch your car or truck or RV or Jeep or whatever with that. So, and this also comes with a hand towel and a wash mitt. So we're going to open this up and see what's inside. Yes, I have not looked at any of this. Obviously I've not used it. So, ooh, yeah, that's nice. Wow, that is a nice microfiber towel. You got two sides to it, so that's super nice. And you get a nice wash mitt. And you know, if you've used your wash mitt over and over and over, it's nice to have something new. So it's nice and decent size, microfiber. It's pretty awesome. And we've got two different brushes that it came with. One is a soft bristled brush, and another one is a little bit harder. Probably use that on the wheels and tires, and use this one. Probably use this one on the wheels and use this for the tires. I'm going to have to assume. And you also have the ability to get a foam cannon. So I've got this foam cannon, and you can get it for just your garden hose, or if you've got a power washer like I do, this is the attachment that you're going to use for your power washer. So I've already got this put together. I'm going to take some of my car wash here, my four-wheel drive wash, and I'm going to add, hopefully that's about the recommended amount. It says 30 to 50 milliliters. I'm in America, so I don't have a clue what a milliliter is, but I think that's gonna do it. Take that, screw it on. Yes, screw it on. I am a professional. This is one take today, guys, because I do have a lot to do. I do want to get this thing. Am I cross-threading this? I sure am. Let's not break it on the very first try. Hey, there we go. Put it on right. It works. So let me go turn the power washer on, get this connected, and we're going to have some foam action going here. So hold on. Okay, we got this all hooked up to the end of the power washer. So let's give it a shot. Oh, wow. That's some foam, boy. Oh, yeah. Look it around. Scrub it around. That's like going to the car wash, but better. Look at that. A little sneak peek of the car anyways, huh? All right, so I'm gonna go run inside and put some water in my bucket, and we're gonna start scrubbing on this thing. Okay, so I guess the first thing that I'm gonna do is, let's get the soft bristle brush. I'm gonna go over these wheels. These are some really nice wheels, and I'm hoping these things are gonna clean up real nice. Oh yeah, that soap's really doing the thing to it. Had this car for about a week, and where I park at work, it just gets so dirty. So this is definitely what it needs. You know, getting ready to do my first walk around video of the car, so it's gotta look presentable. Gotta make it look as good as we can. Know what I mean? All right. So we'll go ahead and check this interior cleaner out. I got all kinds of little spots on the seats. I don't know what they are. I've tried kind of rubbing them with my hands, but that was the extent of it. So I'm not exactly sure how easily these are going to clean up. Pretty neat seats if I can get them to clean up okay. Looks like those little black dots are going away. It's going to take a little bit of elbow grease, I think. I have no clue what that is. But my wife specifically asked me, you going to clean these seats up? And I'm like, yeah, I sure will. So yeah, it's going to take some scrubbing up. This car is kind of a mystery, I guess. Not real sure what this thing has been through. Okay, so that I don't have to scrub for 13 hours, I'm gonna try this degreaser and see if this will get it. I hate putting degreaser on any kind of product like this, but I mean, if you gotta do it, you gotta do it. Oh yeah, that's getting it. Oh yeah, sometimes you gotta take it to the next level. of persuasion. So yeah, those seats are going to come out really nice. There's some really good products. You got Salty Captain. So, ahoy, matey. I guess that's Australian, isn't it? Something like that. But look how nice those wheels came out. There is no streaking on the windshield or any of the windows or anything. So, nice products. I mean, I got chips in the paint. Nothing Salty Captain can do about that. But I will leave some links in the description to their website, and you can go check out their products. And I'd say it's a heck of a thumbs up from over here in the States. Thank you all very much. Ahoy, matey, from down under. Got the Corvette looking sharp. Thank you guys. Have a good one. We'll see you. Bye.